darshako, so today we are going to the Pink Street. That's why you can see I wear pink color t-shirt, and we'll see how the street looks like. Currently I can see the blue street, a white street, and this Kandahar street. We need to wait for Pink Street now.
And if you see this house looks like more than 100-year old.
No, it's not 100 years. I think it's 500 years, 1000 years old.
So finally this is the pink road. You can see the road is pink.
Yeah, in the street you can see here the pink road, and yeah. Oh, OMG, it's really what I saw on the Google. Don't see the upside. See here. See here.
Why they make this as a pink one? This is so like old. That's finished.
Yeah. शुरू होने से पहले खत्म हो चुका है.
They just made this to come and take some photo. That's it and go.
Yeah.
People are somehow managing in photo that is a big road. But reality is nothing.
This is called disappointment. In Portugal, there is a street and Pink Street, but not in the Lisbon. This is the shortest street ever.
This is one demo.
Yeah, this is a trailer, teaser. But it looks good here. Just because this is the Pink Street, I wear the pink today. But
Open the jacket, give the jacket to me, give it back to me, and have some nice click.
yeah, I have my own photographer today, so I don't need to use this Bluetooth.
And what is this? Dinosaur teeth.
Hello guys,
Channel
subscribe the channel. Channel to subscribe. Like the channel to subscribe my channel.
subscribe because of subscribe.
So we decided कि अब मिडिल में जाएंगे और देखेंगे. मेरा ये ब्लैक गॉगल का है जिसमें मुझे आधी चीज़ें दिखती नहीं है. ये रहा. तो guys, ये सच में पिंक स्ट्रीट है. If you don't believe, मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. Just wait. You can see the name of the street. It's written Pink Street, and it's just a picture perfect. Okay, so now we are going from here to the next stop.
We have lot of place to see here because I saw lot of tourists are crossing on the street. So this street is going to some good place, but we don't want to walk. So we have
No, I want to walk.
No, it's like
I want to run actually.
It's inclined walk.
So I want to run. Good for me.
Let's catch the tram. 12B.
Okay, so the first time in my life I'm going with the tram, but let's see. If plan will not change, I'll show you the video of inside of tram and how it looks and my experience as well. Ah, come on. I was thinking, my expectation was there will be a big street with lot of umbrellas and the pink carpet kind of thing, but it was like this. Somehow I took some Instagram video and photo that I will show you, but expectation versus reality. But at least I have some photo that I can share on Insta. If you are not following me on Insta, you can follow me. Okay, bye bye. See you in the tram for an hour. So guys, destination changed, and now we saw something just nearby to this, and we are going to that area. Yeah, it's a not seaside, it's a riverside, but it looks good. There is a lot of crowd, and I think something good is there. So instead of wasting time here and there and somewhere, we'll see the nearby area.
We'll have our breakfast.
Yeah, we are staying in Portugal only, so we are not tourists, and we don't have hurry to see everything in one day. We are blessed actually in this. क्या बोलते हैं? Yeah, we are blessed because we have everything here. The sunny day, the people from all over the world, and we have everything. Look at the background, so cool. Okay, so Pink Street trip is ended here. If you are in Portugal in this year, then don't forget to visit this beautiful street. It's just a picture perfect place. See you in the next. Take care. Bye bye.